My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below, but this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you, and now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
The other would be to how to improve my forms on the mobile view because it kind of sucked when it's beautiful on desktop, but when I switch to mobile, it's like this just long skinny column and it looked kind of crazy.
I've got a pretty cool fix for this one. Okay, so let me share screen again. Like you said, forms are like naturally, if they've got lots of questions on them, they're going to be long and look bad. So if we go to our sites tab, for example, I'll just show you both examples here. Let's see if I got like this, just like dummy website here. I'll pull up what you're talking about. So let's, whatever, throw a form here just for example's sake. Did I miss it? There we go. And then on this form, I want to show like visually what you're talking about, but that one does not look like a good form to use. Let's try this one. All right, so like let's say this one, but we switched to mobile view and
Mhm.
and this is only a 4 question form, so this one doesn't maybe even look that bad, but like you're talking like, you've got multiple
When you had like the
qualifying
consent,
questions,
yeah,
it just stretches further down the page, and so it doesn't look super great.
yeah,
What I'd recommend is using a survey. So survey is the same thing as a form, but it asks the questions instead of having them all show at once like this and be really long. It only shows one question at a time, and then it has like a little arrow down here. So let me pull one up as an example. We can look at them side by side. So you go down to where it says surveys. I keep missing it. Here it is. And then let's see if I've got one here. Okay, so survey looks like this.
Mhm.
It has all the same fields. I don't know if this one does. We'll have to see here in a minute. It has all the same fields: name, email, phone number, what do you need help with? But it asks the questions one by one. And so it doesn't like drag it super long down the page, and it
Right.
completes the same purpose. So if we switch to mobile view, a survey will look like this. This one's edited in a way that looks kind of weird. It disconnects this box down here from the main box.
Right.
So that wouldn't like we'd obviously build it to look a little bit better on this site and that kind of thing. And but anyway, if I what the heck? I must have not saved it. Let me save this real fast. I just want to show the difference on like a live preview. This one, you can make this box not like stretch so long like this. This one's a bad example probably, but if we go to like mobile view, the form looks all long, whereas the survey is just nice in a square. Someone fills out their first name, whatever, next, date of birth,
Okay.
next. And so it just asks questions one at a time. It like looks a lot better than like if you've got, so if surveys are great if you've got a form that has like a bunch of questions on it. Just build a survey instead and put one question on each slide of it, and it'll
Mhm.
just like take up way less space on the site. So anyway, that'd be my best advice there.
Okay, yeah, that's much better.
If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.